Welcome to an overview of XLNavigator, the all-in-one Excel add-in for Windows Excel, available at XLNavigator.com. XLNavigator is a comprehensive suite that combines all the individual XLNavigator add-ins into one powerful package. This all-in-one solution enhances your Excel experience with a complete set of productivity tools, and we are continuously adding new features to the series. Some of you may already be familiar with our individual add-ins, such as the Calendar Date Picker, Vertical Tabs, and Object Explorer. Soon, we will also introduce the SQL Range Import tool. For those who want the full suite, we provide the XLNavigator all-in-one version. If you purchase it today, you lock in the current low price. As we add more features and tools, the price will increase, but by purchasing now, you'll receive all future updates and new add-ins at no additional cost. Of course, if you only need one or two of the tools, you're welcome to purchase those individually. If you have multiple individual add-ins installed, they will work seamlessly together under the XLNavigator ribbon tab in Excel. For example, you might have the Date Picker, Object Explorer, and Vertical tabs installed side by side. However, the all-in-one version includes all these tools in a single package, maintaining the same ribbon layout while simplifying installation and management. To demonstrate the power of these tools in combination, on the left we have Vertical tabs, and on the right we have the Object Explorer. By setting the context filter to display only objects related to the selected sheet, you can easily navigate through different sheets and instantly see all related objects, such as tables, formulas, and notes. The built-in search function allows you to quickly locate specific content across your workbooks. For in-depth tutorials on each feature, check out our YouTube playlist, linked in the card on the left. We encourage you to explore and see how these tools can enhance your workflow. If you decide to upgrade to the all-in-one version but already have individual add-ins installed, you may see some duplicate functionality in the ribbon. While this won't cause any issues, it may clutter your interface. To simplify your setup, uninstall the individual add-ins by going to Windows Apps and Features, searching for XLNavigator, and removing any redundant versions. After doing this, reopening Excel will show only the streamlined XLNavigator full version under the Ribbon tab, with all tools integrated into a single add-in. If you prefer a cleaner workspace, you can easily toggle features on or off from the XLNavigator ribbon. For example, if you only need the Object Explorer, you can disable other tools to free up space. You can also adjust panel widths using the built-in sliders for better visibility. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on new features, tools, and enhancements for XLNavigator. We appreciate your support.